Helen can paint a room in 6 hours. If Miggy helps, it takes them 2 hours. How long will it take for Miggy to paint the room alone? Since it is another work problem, so we're going to use the same diagram. So we will let this as Helen's rate in working alone, and this is Miggy's rate working alone. Okay, so let us now fill out the boxes. So since this is Helen's box, so Helen can paint a room in 6 hours, so this is the rate of Helen. Then next, if Miggy helps, it takes them 2 hours. So when we say Miggy helps, so it means they're working together. And this is the box for the rate if they will work together. So this is where we're going to put the 2. And in our question, how long will it take for Miggy to paint the room alone? And this one will be Miggy's rate if he will work alone. Since they're working with the same job, so we're going to write 1 here. Okay, so we're going to write down this 1, and this will be our working equation. So we will just simply distribute 2 to each of them. So 2 times 1, 2 times 1, it becomes 2 over 6 plus 2 over x is equal to 1. Then we will multiply each side by 6x, and that is their LCM because we want to get rid of this 6x. We want to remove the denominator to make it simpler. So we'll just distribute this to each of them. Okay, so then after distributing, let's start to cancel. If there is anything to cancel, this one, 6 divided by 6, it's 1. On the other side, there are common, which is x. So x divided by x is also 1. So 2 times x is 2x. Copy this plus. Then 2 times 6 is 12. Copy the equals. 1 times 6x is 6x. So since 2x and 6x are common, so we can minus both sides by 2x, so that one of the x on the other side will be eliminated. So in this case, 2x minus 2x is 0, so write down 12 in here, equals then 6x minus 2x is 4x. Then lastly, since you want x to be left alone, so we will divide both sides by, I just write it again, then we will divide both sides by 4, so that 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1, and 1 times x is x. Then on the other side, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Therefore, this 3 here is Miggy's rate working alone. So our final answer, so the question is, how long will it take for Miggy to paint the room alone? So it will take 3 hours for Miggy to paint the room alone.